Hi everyone, I'm Alfred Saria, Applications Engineer for SketchUp. I'm from Wordtext Systems Incorporated, the only authorized distributor of SketchUp here in the Philippines. Today, I'm excited to share to you the offerings in SketchUp subscription. But first, allow me to share to you a short clip about SketchUp.
Can you show me the hood with tile behind it?
Can you help me 3D print my drone?
Can you quickly model this sketch?
Can you add a little bit more vegetation in the corner?
Can you create this whole project on your own?
Can you make it look more like a makerspace?
Can you make that rocket fly?
Can you show me a detail of the crown molding?
Can we add illumination to the pendant so the client can see the distribution of light?
Can you adjust the steps by the curtain wall? Can you use different materials? Can you fly it at the assembly? Yes.
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 Yes, you can do that in SketchUp.
So as you can see, from simple to complex, it's possible with SketchUp. Moving forward, just a quick glance for all the viewers of what are the things that I'm going to discuss. This includes the download and release notes, SketchUp products, and some of you may know SketchUp 2020 was released on January 28 on SketchUp's website download page. The latest version is shown, and the same as before, it's available for those who use Windows or Mac OS. On the right side, there is a release note. And let's go there. Release note is basically a page or summary of what's changed in the newly released version. This includes the performance, bug fixes, and small features added such as materials. This really seems like it focused specifically on making organization of your models easier. Moving forward, let's go to SketchUp products. So these are variety of SketchUp products you can choose from. First, the free version that is for personal use, for practice, or for demonstration purposes only. For commercial and professional work, we have the perpetual and subscription that's renewable annually. So why subscription? Why SketchUp offers subscription-based license? First, to provide lower cost offering. And since maintenance and support is already included, it keeps the program up to date. And it can also be used online or offline. And this is suitable for those with temporary projects. And of course, it is on a lower price. This is a comparison between the SketchUp Perpetual and subscription. Users will still be able to purchase SketchUp Pro Perpetual licenses. If they have existing licenses, they'll just have to renew their maintenance and support. So here you can see the differences between the two licenses. In subscription, we have the Trimble Connect. Trimble Connect is a collaboration tool that connects the right people to the right constructible data at the right time. So here you can view multiple files of different formats simultaneously. You can assign activities, reference models in SketchUp from other softwares, and you can save your work through cloud. Again, Trimble Connect is a project collaboration platform built for construction industry specifically. Project stakeholders can easily share, comment on, and manage the latest project documents, photos, drawings, and 3D models through the cloud across the design, build, and operate phases of a project. It provides up to the minute construction ready project information, view, review, and reference Tekla models, drawings, and other data you need for a project construction to be successful. Next is the SketchUp Viewer. SketchUp Viewer is used to collaborate and view your 3D model designs from anywhere. And take it a step further and see your designs from every angle with AR and VR. So here is an example. This is me working on my workstation, and it enables me to store and share my models on iOS or even Android mobile devices. SketchUp Viewer is a great way to share models with your client. You can look at your model on an immersed view. The next thing is the SketchUp Viewer XR or the HoloLens. It is the mixture of augmented and virtual reality. So experience your project in a real world scale, right where it's going to be built. Augmented and virtual reality viewing of SketchUp models. So inclusion of MS Windows Mixed Reality, HTC Vive, and Oculus Rift. So here's how it looked like when you're actually using the HoloLens. This is the immersed view. And moving forward, I would like to show you an example. So there you have it, SketchUp Viewer for HoloLens. Now let's move forward. Another available license for SketchUp subscription is the SketchUp Studio. SketchUp Studio is an entire product portfolio bundled into an annual subscription license. And as far as what's included in the SketchUp Studio, there are 12 products and services that are present as part of the Studio bundle. The SketchUp Studio subscription includes everything in Pro subscription with the addition of the building performance analysis application, which is the Sefaira, as you can see on the lower left corner or on the lower right corner. And here is SketchUp Sefaira. Sefaira is a cloud-based computing solution for high-performance building design. This includes real-time energy analysis, daylight visualization, HVAC sizing, carbon emission, and many more. And in 2011, Sefaira won the Green Building Innovation of the Year award at London's EcoBuild. Sefaira helps you design or use less energy, produce less carbon dioxide, have smaller HVAC systems, use lots of natural light, and are more green building or more comfortable buildings. And who cares about this building performance? Of course, in different perspectives, Sefaira will give benefits for both building owners and occupiers. In what way? Of course, for the owners, high rental yields, high building sales price, and saving more money. And for the occupier, of course, low utility bills and good marketing from being in a green building. Again, I'd like to show you a short clip about Sefaira.
Welcome to Sefaira, a software for performance-based design. Performance-based design is an approach to building design that helps you understand your building early in the design process and make better design decisions based on real-time feedback. Sefaira is integrated with existing design tools, SketchUp and Revit. Performance-based design is not the same as energy modeling. Instead of validating your design at the later design stage, it will help you make good decisions early in the design process. Performance can mean daylighting performance, energy use, utility cost, cooling and heating loads, HVAC system sizing, and lots more. Sefaira has two products, Sefaira Architecture and Sefaira Systems. In Sefaira Architecture, you can study design decisions like building form, glazing amount, floor plate shape, shading design, and insulation levels. You can design facades that balance energy and daylighting. In Sefaira Systems, you can compare different HVAC options and study system sizing, peak loads, and energy conservation measures early in the design process. Get started now. Visit learn.sefaira.com to learn how you can use Sefaira to accomplish your performance goals.
Again, performance is more than just energy use, so it includes comfort, costs, and many other to be considered. Here we can see the process from conceptualization to construction. Most of the time, the typical analysis time frame happens in between design and development and construction documentation. So with Sefaira, you can visualize from the start the things that will matter the most in the end. Designer makes thousands of decisions. So this includes the following. So you can see here glazing ratios, location, siting, renewables, energy, lighting, of course, many other. And here are some of the questions from pre-design to detailing stage that you can answer using Sefaira? Are there zero or low cost positive strategies? So sensitivity analysis plays vital role in building energy analysis. It is done to clarify which are the crucial variables affecting building thermal performance and to evaluate quantitatively those effects. Understanding how energy use evolves at different stages of development is essential for reliable prospective analysis and planning. One more question. Which decision option is the best? Here's an example of building design options that are created within the same land area. By means of Sefaira, designers are able to distinguish which design is the most energy efficient. What areas are well lit and where is there glare? In Sefaira, you'll be able to see the percentage of time where light hits a certain area in the building. What is the optimal shading depth, glazing SHGC, and wall R value? Windows have long been used in buildings for daylighting and ventilation. Many studies have even shown that health, comfort, and productivity are improved due to well ventilated indoor environments and access to natural light. However, windows also represent a major source of unwanted heat loss, discomfort, and condensation problems. Energy efficient windows make your home more comfortable, dramatically reduce your energy costs, and help to create a brighter, cleaner, and healthier environment. Windows can severely impact on the heating and cooling loads of a building. Another is that what's the most cost-effective way to downsize mechanical system? The mechanical room layout has a significant impact on the system efficiency. Oversized systems are less efficient and more expensive. Looking into this example, designers were able to produce different design strategies to identify which design will be cost effective. And most of the time, the designer's goal is to make good design balances, which includes aesthetics, form, function, integrity, and of course, performance, to deliver maximum value for their clients. And for the developers, they're looking for higher asset value. For owners, increased rental rates. And of course, for tenants, improved productivity. And here are some of the world's leading architects and engineers that are already using Sefaira. And let's look on this case study done by a designer from London in Bethel House Retrofit. Here, the designer executes a facade optimizations where from base design, he is able to do a gradual transformation to balance energy and daylight. This was done by addition of shading based on the orientation and exposure of the building to sunlight. And there, the designer came up to a great option. With Sefaira real-time performance analysis software, designers will be able to deliver and improve their design decisions by seeing the extent potential in a design structure. So integrated, this is easy to use because this is already integrated in SketchUp Studio. Take note that SketchUp Studio is different from SketchUp Pro. So once you're interested, look for the SketchUp Studio license. Now, we are pleased to announce that we're running a promo which will run today or until June 24. take a look for our promo and where to buy and how to order. You can check our official e-commerce site at www.wesellit.ph/SketchUp. And that's all for SketchUp. Thank you so much.